Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the iPhone is signed into iCloud with your Apple ID. This is the key for activation lock. Once signed in, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enable location services so the device can register with Apple. Make sure the iPhone has sufficient battery and that you know your Apple ID and password. Without them, you cannot complete activation lock. Now open Settings and tap your name to continue. This puts you directly where activation lock is controlled. You now enable Find My iPhone, which activates activation lock. This is the core protection. In Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Toggle Find My iPhone on and allow offline finding if available. Turn on Send Last Location so the device reports its position before power loss. This helps you recover it. Once done, the activation lock is tied to your Apple ID and will require that account to erase or reactivate the device, preventing unauthorized reuse. You finish by confirming activation lock is active. Sign into iCloud. Open Find iPhone and verify the device appears under your account. If you plan to sell or give away the iPhone, make sure to turn off Find My iPhone and sign out of iCloud to remove activation lock. Otherwise, the new owner cannot use it. If you encounter a lock you cannot remove because you forgot credentials, use Apple ID account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.